Now we're going to look at how we can use ChatGPT to generate titles, descriptions, and tags for our YouTube videos. So again, I have up here ChatGPT Plus. I have the paid version, but it's pretty much the same results. You could do the exact same thing with the free version as well. I have a new window open here, and I started with telling it pretty much what it is that I'm trying to do. The more information and detail that you provide to ChatGPT, the better the response that you're going to get from it. So, if you can go into more depth about what it is you're showing in the video, it'll help you, that much more with the output. So I'm just telling it that I'm creating an educational video, how to use ChatGPT to optimize titles, descriptions, and tags. So first, I'm going to ask for 10 titles for this video, and we're going to pick whatever the best one that we can find over here. These are pretty good that coming out. I'm going to take this one. Actually, you know what? Going through. Take some pieces from each, from some different ones here. There, how about that? Okay, great. So now we have the title that we're going to copy and paste in. Next, we're going to ask for a description. So entice viewers to watch. And again, once it writes this, we're going to copy and paste this into the description of our YouTube video. Once this completes, what we'll do next is we'll ask for tags, and what we're going to ultimately do is provide 5 tags video, and all of these we're going to copy and paste directly into our YouTube video uploading. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be creating content every week with some new tips and tricks and features of ChatGPT.